Artificial intelligence. It's not just in movies anymore.
It's already here, quietly shaping the way we live, work, and learn. From the moment you wake up to the time you go to sleep, AI is all around you.
Section 1. Smart Assistants. Think about it. When you ask Siri about the weather or tell Alexa to play your favorite song, that's AI, making life simpler with just your voice. Section 2. Entertainment. Love Netflix recommendations or YouTube showing you exactly what you want to watch next? That's AI too, studying your habits and serving you content you'll enjoy. Section 3. Education. Students today don't just rely on teachers and books. AI tutors and apps personalize learning, helping each learner study smarter, not harder. Even tools like ChatGPT are changing the way we research and write. Section 4. Healthcare. In hospitals, AI scans medical images faster than ever before, detecting diseases at early stages. Fitness apps use AI to track your habits, guiding you toward a healthier lifestyle. Section 5. Business and work. In business, AI runs customer service chatbots, automates boring tasks, and even helps companies make better decisions with data. Bonus. Transportation.
Self-driving cars, smarter traffic systems, delivery drones. They're not science fiction anymore. They're real, and they're powered by AI. Closing. Artificial intelligence is no longer the future. It's the present. It saves us time, makes life easier, and opens endless possibilities.
But it also challenges us to use it wisely, responsibly, and for good.
Call to action. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe, and share it in the comments. Where do you see AI in your everyday life?